Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be going through my entire collection of hair products. Yes, you heard that right. Someone suggested this video not long ago and I thought this sounds like a great idea. I'll have the comment here on the screen if I can find it. We're going to do a little bit of organizing and I'm going to kind of go over the products that I have, talk to you a little bit about them, and we're just going to chat a little bit. So if you are new here, I would love if you would consider subscribing down below. I do mostly hair videos on this channel and I also throw in a little bit of random beauty and lifestyle every once in a while as well. I'm also going to have my Instagram on the screen and linked down below if you guys want to check that out as well. And let's just go ahead and get into it. I'm going to show you guys the state of my products right now and then we'll do a little bit of organizing together. I'm sorry if you heard loud noises. Joe is mowing the lawn. I'm just going to show you guys kind of how my products are arranged at the moment. I have this. Please excuse how messy it is. Obviously this is not right. I need more space for towels. I just put this stuff here recently because it was getting so crammed full and not all my towels were clean anyway. But I'm going to move all of this so that it's like on these two shelves. And a lot of the stuff up here on this shelf is like empties, like products that I need to film an empties video with. So I'm gonna get a bag for those, move anything that's not hair products on these two shelves into this cupboard right here. Excuse the cord for my plug-in battery because the other one is dead. And then I'm gonna get all the hair products that are under there and move them into here too, if there's space. We're gonna see, I have a shelf up there as well that I can put some stuff on, but it's just not very tall, so I can't fit like tall bottles. But over here, I have a mess too. So I have most of my like shampoos and conditioners and cleansing type products in here, and then just like an array of other things. So I'm gonna try to get this cleaned out. I don't know how organized this is gonna get because this isn't gonna have hair products in it by the end of this, hopefully. So I probably won't even show it to you guys because it's probably not gonna be super organized. My focus today is just to organize these shelves in here and get the hair products organized. So I'm gonna do that. We'll see, hopefully it's not too chaotic.
Look up from your telescope, take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more. Lay me down behind the moon, tell me you'll be on soon.
Okay guys, I hope the lighting is okay. I got all of my hair products from that cupboard out. It's a lot. I was also gonna get all of my like shampoos and conditioners out of this bottom cupboard too, but it's not gonna fit while this is all on here because it's just too full. So I'm gonna kind of go over some of these products really quickly. I need to get rid of some of it, so I'm gonna separate those out with you guys and maybe go over a few of my favorites and all of that, but if you watch my channel, you already know what my go-tos are. But yeah, I'm gonna get the camera off the tripod and we'll do vlog style. Okay, so there's not a lot of space to separate out stuff I don't really want. Again, excuse the dirty mirror, but I just recently did a video of products I don't like, so I'm gonna get rid of those products. I still have them in here. I was gonna like take care of that in this video. But yeah, I probably should have tried to move everything kind of to this side. I tried to separate, like I have some curl creams here, some masks. I have random products in the back. I've got like leave-ins and sprays and refreshers here, and then we have some foams and mousses, some gels back here, and then I have dry shampoos and hairsprays, my oils and stuff like that up here. Honestly, it's not very efficient, but I might, with the products that I'm not using for right now, just put them in the sink so they're like separated. Here's the first one, the Cake Dry Shampoo. Didn't like this. Definitely go check out that video if you want to know the products that I just don't like, because I don't talk about that very often. I know some of you guys are going to make comments about this Diva Curl product. I don't have any other Diva Curl products. I got this before the whole scandal and I really like it. It has never caused an issue with my hair, so I still do use it sometimes just because I really like it. It's a very nice light watery gel, and I don't think that all of their products are bad, and even though I probably won't buy more just because it definitely concerns me, I'm holding on to this because I've never had an issue with it. So whoops, I'm always knocking things over with these tall bottles, but I just wanted to get that out of the way. These other dry shampoos, I like all of these, except I still need to keep trying out this Bumble and Bumble one from my last video, the Kathleen Lights one. This one though, unfortunately, the nozzle broke. So it's like one of those aerosol cans that doesn't work, unfortunately. I'm sorry if you guys can hear that fly buzzing in the background. It's driving me insane. This Batiste one is actually empty, so I need to put that in my empties. I really like this hairspray from Dove, one of my favorites. Also have an Inner Sense hairspray. I do love all of these oils actually, so I probably won't get rid of any of them. This isn't really an oil, but I sometimes use it in place of one if I want a lighter product. The only one I don't use as much is the Shea Moisture Pure Argan Oil, but this is great for a lot of different things. So I'm gonna keep this, and I still recommend it if you want an affordable hair oil. It's good. I just don't use it as much because I do prefer these other ones. They just smell good, and I like how they distribute so nicely throughout my hair, but this is not a bad one. I might get rid of this Ava NYC Just Glisten Hair and Body Shine Mist. I haven't really tried this out much, and I don't think I have anything bad to say about it. It's just not something that I think I'll ever use. I don't know. I feel like my hair is pretty shiny on its own if it has a good protein moisture balance. And as far as my body, I would just use a moisturizer or lotion instead of using a shine mist. So I don't think I'm gonna keep that. I know I'm gonna be letting go of both of these curl creams. I talked about them in that video. This is the Ouidad Plumping and Defining Cream. And then I also have this Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. Sorry if the camera keeps going out of focus, you guys, but this is just too heavy for my hair. A product I'm not gonna get rid of right now, but I'm still on the fence about it, is this Twist Soft Hold Curl Defining Jelly. I definitely think so far that I like my Ouidad one more, so I don't know if I'm gonna keep this, but I'm gonna keep trying it out and give it a little bit more of a chance. I also am gonna get rid of this John Frieda Frizz Ease Cream Oil. It's just made my hair like an oily, greasy mess, so it's just too much for me. I'm not gonna be keeping that. As far as what's out right now, I don't see anything else that I wanna get rid of. I know I have some products in this cupboard, but as far as what's out right now, I think I wanna keep most of it. Just because I do videos and stuff, I do use most of this stuff, but some of it I just wanna keep for like reference and things. And I do like it. It's not, there's nothing here that I like hate. These are the things I just don't personally like for my hair at all, so there's no point in keeping them. I will say these sort of like scalp treatment products, I don't really use very much, but I do want to keep trying them out a little bit more because I haven't given them enough of a chance for how long I've had them. I feel like I should try them more often and just get like a more curated idea, I guess, of like how I feel about them, even though I don't generally go for them. I do have this mask right here, the Matcha Green Tea and Apple Blossom from, I think this is the Not Your Mother's brand. Yeah, I still want to try this out, but I've been trying out a lot of other products, so that is a product I haven't even tried yet. Some of my favorites here, you guys know I love my Briogeo Curl Charisma. I have high hopes for this AG Hair curl cream that I talked about in my Kathleen Lights video. I love my Shea Moisture Protein Treatment Mask. Oh my gosh, this Briogeo mask that I tried in my Kathleen Lights video is incredible so far. Only used it once, but you guys, that is a miracle worker. It's pricey, but so far I love it. My Heritage leave-in conditioner pudding, a really good product that's sort of like in between a leave-in and a curl cream. It's like a lot lighter. Love my Kinky Curly Knot Today. Kristen S leave-in conditioner. The Playa Endless Summer Spray is a great refresher. This Ouidad one is also really good. Honestly, I use a lot of these products. Still trying out this curl foam, but I think it's gonna be a go-to for refreshing. My favorite mousses are the Not Your Mother's Curl Talk and the Kate Curl Whip. I only have these two, but I like them both and I don't feel like I need to get more right now. Love the Curl Talk gel as well. I just think the Curl Talk products are the best. I did mention that I love the Ouidad Volumizing Jelly, one of my favorites, such a unique product, which is something you guys know I really like. Also enjoyed this Curlsmith Flexi Jelly when I tried it in my Kathleen Lights video. I do really like this Not Your Mother's Beach Babe dry shampoo, but I think I like the Batiste one a little bit more. I also really love this Playa one, but like I said, the nozzle is broken, so I haven't been able to use it. And then as far as oils, you guys know I love the Verb one. It's such a go-to for me, and I've been talking about it for so long. The only reason I don't use this as much in recent videos is because the pump is broken on this one. So it's just a little bit harder to use, but I still love it just as much. The Bread and the Twist are a little bit lighter oils if oils don't generally work for you and you want to try something just a little bit more lightweight. I'm always knocking stuff over, like I said. You guys know that this Pro's hair oil has been a go-to of mine for quite some time now. It's the first like hair oil that I fell in love with since the Verb one. I talked about the Verb one in like every video in my older hair content, and now I use this one so much. So love that. It's like the perfect in between. It's not too heavy or too lightweight. Yeah, just some of my favorites. I love this new spray bottle that I just got on Amazon, you guys. It's such an amazing continuous mister for just like refreshing your hair or whatever. But I'm gonna go ahead and put most of this back in the cupboard. I'm gonna put like all my stylers and stuff on the shelf that's lower, and then I'll like leave out the masks and stuff that I have out because I'm gonna go through the shampoos and conditioners that I have down here, and I'll probably like organize those with my masks and things like that. So
I don't wanna wait no more. We could be dancing in the stars, we could be floating on away. As long as I'm safely in your arms, and it don't really matter where we stay. Cause space makes me sad. Cause space makes me sad.
okay, so I got all of my shampoos and conditioners from under the sink. I had some of my masks here, and I know I want to get rid of some of this stuff. First of all, the fragrance-free conditioner from Heritage. I'm not going to use this. I don't really like the product. It's almost like a cleansing conditioner. It doesn't really moisturize or do what I want it to for my hair, so that's going away. Playa Violet Brightening Shampoo. I like all the other products I have from them, but this was just really, really stripping for my hair. And when I did have lighter hair, it didn't really do anything for the warm tone in my hair. It just really stripped it. So getting rid of that. I think that's it for now. I'm going to go ahead and organize this stuff on that second shelf if I can fit it. I don't know that everything's going to fit on that shelf because it's not as tall as the other one, but we'll see. I have my Twist shampoo and conditioner here that I recently picked up. I really like this Amica Reset Scalp Cleansing Oil, as well as this Heritage ACV hair rinse. They're both great like pre-shampoo, like scalp cleansing rinses if you have buildup. Still need to try this Camille Rose cleansing rinse. Really excited about that. Again, you guys, the lawnmower is coming over to this side of the house, so I know it's really loud. Hopefully it's not too bad in the video. I have some shampoos here that are singles because I went through the conditioner and not the shampoo. I just use way more conditioner than shampoo. Pineapple Curls, love the shampoo and conditioner. I've already gone through the conditioner, as well as this Verb Curl shampoo. I'm almost through the curl conditioner, but not quite. Still have like 2/3 of the shampoo left. I just have so many to go through, you guys. Still need to finish up the Smelly Moisture one that's been in my cupboard for quite some time now. Love my Playa Everyday Shampoo and Supernatural Conditioner. These are two of my favorites. They're such a good go-to when I want something moisturizing that's still not too heavy on my hair because they keep my hair soft and supple. But like I said, they don't over moisturize and they're not overly cleansing. It's not for that type of a day. But just when I want like a good go-to, my hair doesn't need anything really extra. I really love the Supernatural Conditioner. It's just so good. I have it upside down right now because I have gone through quite a bit of it. This mask was also under the sink. This is the Shea Moisture Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask. This is from my India Batson video, and I have only tried it a couple of times, but I do like it. This one does have protein though, and for a protein type mask, I prefer the Hydrate and Repair Protein Power Treatment from Shea Moisture, but this one is still nice, and it doesn't have quite as much protein as this one does. Anyways, I'm gonna try to reorganize these products in the cupboard, and I will show you guys. Okay, I got a little chair here to stand on so that I can actually see everything that I'm doing back there. Oh, yep, I figured these wouldn't fit because they're really tall, so I might have to lay them down in the back. I'm not really using these that much right now. I do want to try them out a bit more, but it's not a priority, so I'm just gonna lay them down back here, and then in the next couple weeks, I'll try to remember to get them out again. Okay guys, so this is what we have. I know that shelf, especially up there, is not ideal. Again, sorry for the loud lawnmower, but I just kind of had to improvise to utilize the space. I really want that space under my sink, so I just felt like I needed to put it up there. This is definitely better. Still not perfect. I don't have like organizers, so that's kind of the issue. I just kind of have to put stuff in rows. I have in this line here like leave-ins. It goes all the way to the back because I have a lot. And then here I have more like refreshing type products. This isn't really a refreshing product, but it's random, so I didn't really know where to put it. I have curl creams in this row, and then some mousses and bath foam. I have all my like gel type products in this row, and then here I have oils, and then all the way on this side I have a few random products in the back, and then my dry shampoos and my hairspray along with this spray bottle here. So that is how I organized it. It's definitely better. That is going to be a little bit harder to access all the products in the back, but again, I really wanted to utilize the space in my bathroom because I just felt like a lot of it wasn't getting used. I need to fold some towels and put them here, and then yeah, that's what we have there. Okay guys, so that is it. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. It's really hard moving this camera around my bathroom when the battery is plugged into the wall. It's just doesn't reach very far, and then also it's just a big heavy camera. It's not the best for like vlog style videos, but hopefully you guys enjoyed it anyway. I have all the products over here in my sink that I'm going to be getting rid of. It is a sink full of products at this point, but yeah, that is going to be it from me today. Let me know what other hair videos you want to see from me. I would love to know your suggestions, so leave them in the comments down below. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time. Bye.